Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Coronavirus cases in this country, and hope that the immunity, or believe that the science says that the immunity conferred by vaccination means we can largely come out of this and start to get back to life and back up and running again.
Keep right.
The only issue with that is children.
Oh my gosh.
Children can spread it, they can catch it, they're not going to get seriously ill, but they are, you know, little snotty vectors of transmission that will catch it at school, run around spreading it, and it may well pass then to auntie or uncle or granny or granddad who will get it and fall ill. They've always
You fucking knobhead! you? Fucking twat, fuck off. Whoa! Whoa, you fucking idiot! What are you doing?
For he who comes to Elohim must believe that he is, and that he is a rewarder of those who diligently. Chapter 11, verse 6.
And I'm making my way to make a right turn on Burbeck Road. Now I've indicated to turn right, and as I've turned right, the motorcycle, he hits me as I intersect in the middle of the other side of the road. Now I was a bit shocked, obviously, and I was quite surprised to know that these other bikers, I don't know where they came from, and they started helping him, getting him up. So what happened was I eventually came out of the van, and I asked him if he was okay. Now, when I came out, I was listening to, there was a witness on the other side of the road. He wanted to get my attention, and he wanted to know not what happened, but he wanted to let me know that he saw everything, and that the motorcycle, he was riding a bit erratic. So yeah, I went and got his details, and basically what happened was, as soon as I finished taking his details, came to the motorcycle guy. Before I knew it, he had picked up his bike. As you can see here, his bike was picked up. Even though I hadn't come out of the van there, and the video has changed now, in that time, I had taken the details from the guy. When I came back, the motorcycle had driven off. He was gone, not giving me no details or anything. And basically, so I stopped here at this point, and I goes, have you seen him? Where's he gone? So I went down the road to see if I could see the guy, but he was long gone. So this guy didn't stop and he gave me no details. I had to go back on the dash cam to get his registration number, and I eventually reported it to the police, and then the insurance company wanted to see and have details of exactly what took place and so forth.